I'm going to show you how this AI workflow turns my YouTube videos into 5 high-performing YouTube video shorts that generate thousands of views. Now, I am a small channel. In fact, I'm a tiny channel. My YouTube channel at the time of shooting this video has 124 subscribers. And if you're one of those subscribers, thanks for subscribing. If you're not, go and hit the subscribe button. But anyway, when I create video shorts for my channel utilizing this exact workflow here, which comprises of 2 AI agents, I generate thousands of views. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how this workflow works step by step, what these 2 AI agents are actually doing for me, and then how you can do the same for yourself. Creating videos like the one you're watching now take a ton of time and work. So when thinking about YouTube Shorts and having a strategy around that, if you're a creator like me, creating long-form video content first, trying to come up with ideas, writing scripts, creating those shorts is a nightmare because it takes a ton of time. So most, including me at times, just don't have the time to do it. So most skip them. But they're a goldmine for views and growth of your channel. So I'm quite a new channel, as I've explained. But I tried to create shorts consistently, and initially I did all of this work manually. And as you can see, they never really took off. So I thought my entire goal here on this channel is to show you how you can use AI to improve, grow, and scale your business. So I thought, let me create an AI agent to help me do some of this stuff. And I created this. This is my 2 AI agents that help me structure, write, and script every single short now on my channel directly from my own video content. And then they also write the copy for all of those shorts too. And look at the change. I'm now getting thousands of views across my video shorts. These 2 AI agents not only do all of the heavy lifting for me, but they actually create better YouTube video shorts than I could create myself. And all I have to do is open up my Google Drive here, and I've got these docs ready to go. I have scripts, structure, copy, everything ready to go for my next YouTube short video. Now I'm going to show you how this workflow works and how you can build your own workflow just like this one on this video. Let's get to it. So there are 3 main parts to this particular workflow. So the first part is the actual trigger. So how do we start this workflow? How do we put these 2 AI agents to work? Well, we do that through a form submission and a YouTube video. So I'm going to use a YouTube video I've created recently on a different channel actually. This is on our truth.ai channel, our SaaS platform. And I've just put this video up that basically shows you how to create customer feedback forms and then basically how you use AI to analyze the form responses. If you do create customer feedback forms, by the way, or collect reviews online, go and check out truth.ai. I think you could use it. But this is the YouTube video I'm going to use. So I'm just going to grab the URL from the top there, copy that, and head back over to, press play there, head back over to our n8n workflow. So if I click on execute workflow right now, it's going to ask me for a YouTube URL. So I'm going to enter that URL, click submit. The workflow has now been triggered. So if I close this, you can see it's all working. Now these 3 steps here are really simple. The first step is I send a HTTP request, so a post request to a YouTube transcript scraper on Apify. So that basically transcribes the YouTube video. So it took a few seconds, but I've now got a full transcription here from that YouTube scraper. So that's the first thing I do. So I grab this video and I immediately transcribe it. I then just format that out so it's better for this AI agent to read. And that's the first step, transcribe the YouTube video. Now the next step is my YouTube Shorts structure and script writer. And this is the biggest step of the entire thing, and it's this AI agent here. So this is currently working because we've just executed the workflow, and it does take a few minutes for this to work, but I'm gonna run through why this is so powerful. These 2 AI agents here, the power in these agents is the prompts. The prompts I've written, the prompts I've been tweaking for weeks and weeks to get them just right. That's what's powering these AI agents. So you can see over here now, we have the full transcript. This is being fed in to our AI Shorts copywriter, as I've called it. And I prompt it in this way. So I have a system prompt. So this is my system prompt. So I'll read you some of this. So The role is you're a YouTube Shorts content strategist. We give it some context, what's it working with, what's my channel. Again, every single run is going to be fresh here, so I just remind the agent, this is the channel you're creating the shorts for. But this is the important thing. So we're effectively wanting to create YouTube Shorts, and I want 5 different shorts. Now, I do not create 5 different YouTube scripts and shorts every single video. I don't have time to actually do that. But I like to try and create 2 or 3. But I get the AI agent to write me YouTube short scripts for 5 different videos. Shorts and how shorts work, especially on YouTube, there are certain formulas that work, certain formulas that don't. I think I've got a great formula here. It's producing results for my channel, but it's taken me a few weeks to tweak this. Now, the variation strategy is the important thing. I don't just give it a transcript and go create 5 shorts and give it no direction whatsoever. It has full direction from me. I even have an example of a short here. So this one is important though. I have a variation strategy. So from the 5 shorts that I want producing here, so structure and script. So what it's going to produce in the end is a structure, and I'll show you the example in a minute. But what I want is 5 variations of shorts. So I don't just want them all to be the same thing. So as you can see here, I want at least 2 how-to tactical shorts. So it's going to look at my video and it's going to create 2 how-to shorts of less than 60 seconds from that content. I want then a results and proof focus short. I want a problem and mistake focus short. And then I want a tool feature showcase focus short as well. Every YouTube video I create for my channel is either on a tool or a workflow. So these particular variations work for me. You can obviously switch these out. And then I have an example output. So you can see here what this AI agent is going to create. So we've got a title, so sort of an angle there. We have a hook. So what's our initial 0 to 3 seconds? That's where we're going to capture people. And I also have it structure out what the video can look like. So show screen, I built an AI agent that pulls data from Google Analytics and a search console every Monday at 7 a.m. So I'm giving it actual examples of shorts I've run before. We have call to actions. We have on-screen text suggestions. So again, what could I put on the actual short? What can I add into it? And then also I have a why this works. So I have the AI agent reflect on what these shorts are. And I feel that has dramatically changed how these are actually being created. Now, I do have a very similar prompt as well. So we need to prompt the agent. That's the system message. That's what the agent is tasked to do. But this particular prompt here is just giving it the task. You want to create 5 YouTube short scripts. I give it the transcript in here and I put it through steps. Now, the reason I have steps here is because, as you will see from this particular agent, we have tools. So this particular agent here has access to Google Docs in my account. So when it's created the short script, I have it create a Google Doc that is ready to go to be voice recorded. And that's what the user prompt is here. So we go through, follow this step by step. Step 1, create 5 YouTube shorts. Step 2, format them. And I explain how I want it formatted. I've got an example within the system prompt, as you just saw as well. Step 3, use the Create Google Docs tool to create a Google Doc. Step 4, update the Google Doc with a nicely formatted structure and scripts. And then step 5, output the scripts you've written, and I want to pass those scripts on to the next agent. I'll go over why we're doing that in a moment. But the reason I have it do all of that is because I want something I can work from. I don't want a long piece of JSON or code that I can't see what's going on. So I have it completely format and get a script doc ready. So in my Google Docs, it's going to produce this. So we've got these down here now that I produced earlier. So we've got our short scripts here. So if I open it, it's producing this. So it's ready to go. I can take this right now as an example. So short number 1, stop reading customer feedback manually. I can now take this and record it. So I have the scripts there. Here's the script going through. So I can literally get my mic ready and go and record this. And I've obviously got prompts that I can use throughout. And every single script is the same. And as you can see down here, why does that particular script work? Explanation. I've got some call outs that I can use on screen for that one. Then we've got short number 2, short number 3, all the way down to short number 5 at the bottom here. So I can then look through these scripts, choose the ones I like the best, edit them if I need to really quickly, but I can just hit record. I can record my voiceover or record the script on screen and I'm ready to go. So that's what the first AI agent does here, my AI Shorts copywriter. It structures, it scripts, and I'm ready to record. Now, once this AI Shorts copywriter has done its work, As you saw on step number 5 in the prompt, we pass those scripts also through to this agent. Now, this agent is tasked with creating YouTube Shorts titles and descriptions, and basically text content to go with the shorts. So it's very, very similar, and you can see this is the prompt it's getting, so it's completed, as you can see, all 5 steps. This is from the previous agent, and then I'm passing the shorts, as you can see here, and there's more content down, of course, through to this particular AI agent. This AI agent has a prompt, which I'll go through in a minute, but the system message is structured in a very similar way. So we've got role and expertise. You're a YouTube Shorts content strategist, multi-platform social media copywriter. Now, multi-platform, I'll explain as I go through here. So I am having it create content or copy for each YouTube short. So for me to upload to YouTube, I don't have to just create the short. I've got to write a really good title, really good description. I have this agent do that for me. Now, I have it do this in a very unique way. Rather than just go, write me some content for this, I actually get it to think about this and give me variations. So my YouTube Shorts titles, I'm asking for 3 title variations, 50 to 70 characters long, but then I ask it to mark one of them with a recommended. So not only do I just say create 3 variations so I can choose the one I want, but I want you to recommend which you think will work, and I want you to explain why. That's the first thing I do. I think that's really important. I can then read through these and make a decision on which I want to go with. We've then got a shorts description. So I have a shorts description of 1,000 to 1,500 characters. Now I have it also create a shorter version of a description too, so I can use which one I want. But then the other thing I do is I don't just stop at YouTube. I'm also having it create X or Twitter create posts as well. These can be actual posts or actual threads as well. And I have it do this, so you can see down here, single tweet or thread structure if content requires it. I give it some, again, guidelines on what I want to see here, but I can share these videos on Twitter or X as well. I have some content adaptation rules, and I have a hashtag strategy down here as well, which I explain. And then I have formatting for Google Docs. So I literally put it in here to explain I need this formatting in a way that I can copy and paste, and I put it all down here. I've got tone, guideline, voice guidelines, quality checks as well, which is always important. Then I have a user prompt here, which goes through the same steps. So it's exactly the same pretty much as the other agent. So I'm creating, in this case, 5 shorts, titles, and descriptions, and then I'm giving it the input from the other agent here. And then we basically get that step-by-step format to upload and create that within a Google Doc. It does the same thing. It has access to Google Docs as well. But this particular agent is creating a different doc. So inside my Google Drive, we've got this one doc here, which is my actual YouTube Shorts scripts. And then we've got a Shorts here, which is connected, which is my title description copy. And as you can see here, so we've got our YouTube Shorts content package, AI customer feedback tutorial. So that was the video, obviously, from Truth, our YouTube channel. We've got, again, 5 complete shorts with titles. Now, as I showed here, so we've got short number 1, stop reading customer feedback manually. That's the video it's related to. But here's the copy, and this is the cool thing. So it's giving me variations of the title. So as you can see here, I have 3 options. So option 3, 2, and 1, but I've got a recommended option. So this is what the AI is recommending I do. I analyzed 1,200 customer responses in seconds using AI. That's the title it's explaining to use. How to analyze hundreds of customer feedback forms with AI. Stop reading customer feedback manually, use AI instead. I actually think this one's pretty cool as well, but that is likely going to get way more eyeballs because there's specific metrics in there. So it's recommending the top one I should use. The good thing about this is I can split test. I could use this one, see how it goes for the sort of first 6 to 8 hours. If I'm not getting the views, I can come back in and rework the title and use another title. Here's the shorts description full length, obviously with hashtags that are related as well, which are important. These are always related to the video I'm shooting as well. We've got a shorter description with hashtags here, and here's our Twitter post as well. So it's gone with that 1,200 plus responses. It's going with that recommended for Twitter or X. And I've got the copy to go with a couple of hashtags at the bottom here, what I should link, all of that. And that's basically created for me. So these 2 AI agents have single-handedly, in around 5 to 10 minutes, created 5 YouTube shorts that I can now go on and create. I've got all the content and copy ready for me to record those voiceovers. and then it's also created all of the copy I need to upload. I do need to create the shorts, of course, but all of the heavy lifting is done. I don't really need to think about anything. I've just got to create these voiceovers and edit these videos up. And it's given me examples and recommendations of how I should do that as well. Okay, so how can you get your hands on this workflow and this AI agent setup? Well, in the description, you will see a link to purchase access to this entire setup, including the 2 mega prompts inside of these agents for a small one-time fee. Now, this isn't because I want to gatekeep. I usually give away all of my AI workflows, tools, prompts, everything inside of our community. If you join our beta state community, link in the description for that as well, for free, you will see a ton of workflows, AI prompts, tools, all sorts of stuff in there you can download for free. But this particular workflow has taken me weeks and weeks and weeks of tweaking, and it is built around these 2 very, very powerful prompts. These are not small prompts. These system message prompts are very intense, and they've been created in a way that works. Every single YouTube short I'm now creating is working for my channel. Now you can grab this entire workflow, so you can just import this into your own n8n account for a very small one-time fee, and you will get access to the prompts within these particular agents as well. Not only that, but I'm also going to give you access to another video that shows you how to set up this entire workflow step by step as well. So if you're brand new to n8n and you're watching this thinking, well, I don't use n8n, I don't know if I can set this up, don't worry. I'm going to give you a video to show you exactly how to set it up, how to connect everything, what these nodes do here, but also as well, importantly, how to connect this to Google. You will need to create a Google Cloud app for this part to work here. I'll show you how to do that. It's very simple, but there are some steps you need to take. And again, I'll provide a video if you do purchase this workflow to show you how to get this fully set up and working within your account as quick as possible. So to purchase access to my YouTube Shorts copywriter and these 2 AI agents, including a step-by-step tutorial video on setup, check out the description below now. You will see a link to do that. You can grab all of that for a small one-time fee. I really do appreciate it. If you do find value in my videos, subscribe to my channel, hit like on this video. I really do appreciate that. And if you've got any questions, of course, type those in the comments. Also, come and check out our free beta state community. As I say, I share tons and tons of value in there as well, including other workflows, other AI agent setups, and you'll find lots of different things in there. If you're not part of our community, hit the link below and come and join us there. But I'll see you in the next video.